Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over where you would check your engine oil and add engine oil if you need to add. This is a 2019 Nissan Sentra with a 1.8 motor, and so we have our oil dipstick right here to be able to check the level of the oil. And so the way we do that is you're going to pull the dipstick out, and you'll do this on a level surface with the engine not running. So you're going to pull the dipstick out, you're going to wipe it clean, and see, there's, if it'll focus right, there's two dots, one here and one here. That's the high and that's the low, and we want it to be in between there in the middle. Now if it's here at the low dot, that means pretty much 1 quart should bring it to the high dot. If it's any lower, you definitely want to have more oil added in. So anyway, so you would put the dipstick in after you've wiped it clean, and now you'll pull it back out to check it, and we are right at the perfect operating range at the high dot, and so there's no oil to be added at this time. But if you did need to add oil on this vehicle, the oil fill cap is right here in the middle, right above this cover, and it's right down in here. And so you would spin the cap off, turn it to a counterclockwise. So to add oil to our vehicle, we have the engine straight up from where the dipstick was to the back, almost at the engine. You got it right here, and it's right under this cap. So this cap, you would twist it off. It's a pretty small, narrow hole in there. I mean, it is lined with some rubber around it, but you're going to probably want a funnel. So you'd put your funnel in there and then pour the amount of oil that you feel is necessary. You want to make sure that you don't overfill it, because it can cause other problems with your vehicle, especially with your catalytic converters. It can cause issues there. But you'll add some and then recheck, and add some and recheck. And then you just put the cap back on and twist it to the right to tighten. And so that's how you replace, or that's how you would add oil on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.